Hello and welcome back to the Miniatura YouTube channel and another Meet the Makers video. In this series we get to know the people that make Miniatura so special and find out more about their crafts.
Hello, I'm Anne-Marie and I run LTW Miniatures. I specialise in 1/12 scale patchwork quilts, cushions and kits. I've been coming to Miniatura for a couple of years now, but I've been making Dollhouse miniature quilts for well over 10. The thing I love most about the show is just getting to meet so many different miniaturists and learning all about the different dolls' houses that they make.
If you want to learn more about LTW Miniatures or any of the other makers that attend the Miniatura show, then visit miniatura.co.uk. All the exhibitors have their own pages with loads of information about their products, plus there's details about the next show and you can buy your tickets. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more videos and follow us on social media for lots more miniature inspiration. Thanks for watching and we'll hopefully see you at the next show.